Hello students, I hope you all will be good at your places, and as you know that we are doing the chapter 26 triangle, and today we will start the exercise 26a. But before starting the exercise, as I told you that the sum of all the angle in a triangle is 180 degree, and the sum of two interior opposite angle of a triangle is equal to the exterior angle of that triangle. So all the questions of this exercise are just based on these two things. Got it? So let's start the 26a exercise. In first question of this exercise, you have to just find the unknown angle of a triangle. Two angles have been given and you have to just find the third angle. Okay. So this is the question first. I am just telling you the first part of this. This figure is given of a triangle. This is 70 degree angle and this is 72 degree angle, and this angle is given as a x, and you have to find the value of this angle. Okay, so as you know that the sum of all angles in a triangle is 180 degree. So this plus this plus this will be 180 degree. Got it? So 70 plus 72 degree plus x is equal to 180. Then you will add it, so it will be the 142 plus x is equal to 180. Then x is equal to 180 minus 142. Then x is equal to 38 degree. Okay, when you will subtract, you will find the 38. So the value of this angle is the 38 degree. Got it? Now second part and the third part of this question is exactly same. Okay, in second part two triangle is given and you have to find the angle A and B in both the triangles. Okay, and the method to find the unknown angle is exactly same. Got it? In the second part of the question number 1, you can see here that the two triangle is given, and in both the triangle you have to just find the angle A and angle B. So you will just do this question as I told you the first part of the question number 1. Okay, in this triangle the sum of all the angle will be the 180 degree. So 40 plus 45 plus A is equal to 180 degree, and same here in this triangle 50 plus 80 plus B is equal to 180 degree. So you will find the value of B from here. Got it? The question number 2 of this exercise is saying that can a triangle is possible with the following angles. I have written the question number 2 here. This is the first part of this, and in this 55 degree, 55 degree and 80 degree, three angles of a triangle is given, and the question is saying that is a triangle is possible with these three angles. So how do we know that the triangle is possible or not? So as I told you that the sum of all the angle in a triangle is 180 degree. So we will check whether the sum of all these three angles is 180 or not. Okay. So 55 degree plus 55 degree plus 80 degree. Okay. And it is the 190 degree. And you know that the sum of all the angle in a triangle is 180 degree, and all sum is the 190 degree, so it is not possible. So you will write the not possible. Okay, if possible, if the sum of all these three angles will be the 180 degree, so you will write the possible. Okay, now again in second part of this question, three angles are given and we have to check that the triangle is possible or not possible with these angles. So we will check it. 33 degree, 74 degree plus 73 degree, and when you will add it, you will find the 180 degree, and you know that the sum of all the angle in a triangle is 180 degree, so triangle will be possible. Got it? So it is very easy question, so you will do on your own rest of the question. Now I am just going to tell you the question number 3 of this exercise. I will tell you the second part of this question. Okay. In this question again three angles x degree, 2x degree and 2x degree are given, and you have to find the value of x. Okay, so what you will do, as you know that sum of all angle of a triangle is 180 degree. Okay, so the sum of these three will be the 180 degree, means x plus 2x plus 2x is equal to 180 degree, and x, 2x and 2x will be the 5x is equal to 180 degree. Then x is equal to 180 upon 5, and 5 threes are and 5 sixes are. So the value of x is equal to 36. Okay, and from here with the value of x you can find the angle of the triangle. Okay, means x is equal to 36. This is the first angle, and what is the second angle? 2 into 36, so it will be the 72 degree, and 2x is equal to 2 into 36, so it will again the 72 degree. Okay, so these are the three angles of a triangle. Got it? Now I am just going to tell you the question number 4. In question number 4, one right angle triangle is given. Okay, this is the question number 4, and one right angle triangle. Right angle triangle, I told you, in which one angle is 90 degree. Okay, in which one angle is 90 degree. So it is the right angle triangle, and the question is saying that in right angle triangle one angle is given the 70 degree. Suppose this is the 70 degree angle, so you have to find the other acute angle, you have to find the third angle. Okay, so as you know that suppose this is the x. Okay, third angle is the x, and you have to find the value of x. So as you know that the sum of all angles in triangle is 180 degree. Okay, so the sum of x plus 90 plus 70 will be the 180 degree. So x plus 90 plus 70 is equal to 180. Then x plus 90 plus 70, 160 is equal to 180. Then x is equal to 180 minus 160. So x is equal to 20. Okay, 20 degree. So this is the 20 degree angle. Got it? Now I am just going to tell you the question number 6 of this exercise. In this question, one angle is given the 100 degree and other two angles are given equal, and we have to just find their value. As you can see here in this figure, that in this triangle, angle A is given the 100 degree, and angle B is equal to angle C is given in the question. So we have supposed that angle B and C is equal to x. Okay, the value of angle B is x and the value of angle C is x, and as you know that the sum of all the angles in the triangle is 180 degree. So x plus 100 plus x will be the 180 degree. So x plus 100 is equal to 180 degree, because the sum of all the angles in the triangle is 180 degree. So it will be the 2x plus 100 is equal to 180 degree. Then 2x is equal to 180 degree minus 100. Then 2x is equal to 80 degree. Then x is equal to 80 upon 2, and it will be the 40 degree. So x is equal to 40 degree. So angle B and angle C will be the 40 degree. Got it? Now I am just going to tell you the question number 7. I will tell you the first part of this question. First of all, in this figure you can see here one external angle is given, and you have to find an interior angle. So how do you find it? As you know that the sum of two interior opposite angle is equal to the external angle. So the sum of 30 plus x will be equal to 110 degree. Okay, so because sum of two interior angles is equal to exterior angle, that's why x plus 30 is equal to 110. Okay, x plus 30 will be 110. So x is equal to 110 minus 30 and x is equal to 80 degree. So this angle will be the 80 degree. Got it? One of its interior angle will be the 80 degree and this is 30 degree. Got? Now question number 8 and 9 you will do on your own. As I told you, the classification and the type of triangle on the basis of sides and their angles. So you have to just give the name of the triangle given in these questions. Okay. So these were some questions which I told you in this exercise. So rest of the question you will do on your own, and till then you just keep studying. Thank you.